Ever felt like your money is stuck in limbo? Like it's not quite doing what you want it to do, and you're not sure why? Especially when it comes to investment platforms, that feeling can be particularly unsettling. Today, we're diving into a question I've seen pop up a lot: why is Stashaway holding my money? Now, before we jump into any accusations or assumptions, let's understand that holding can mean a few different things. It could be that your funds are pending investment, undergoing a rebalance, or perhaps there's a verification issue. It's rarely as simple as Stashaway just deciding to keep your cash. Investment platforms, particularly robo-advisors like Stashaway, operate within a regulated framework. They have to comply with certain rules and regulations, and those rules sometimes involve periods where your money isn't immediately accessible. One common reason for a perceived hold is the initial investment period. When you first deposit funds, they don't magically appear in your portfolio overnight. There's a processing period, often a few business days, for the money to clear from your bank and be transferred to Stashaway. Think of it like a train leaving the station. It takes a little time to get up to speed. During this period, your funds might show as deposited but not yet invested. Another reason could be portfolio rebalancing. Stashaway, like other robo-advisors, automatically adjusts your portfolio based on market conditions and your risk profile. This rebalancing process sometimes requires selling certain assets and buying others. While this is happening, your money might be temporarily in transit, waiting to be reinvested. This is a crucial part of how these platforms manage risk and optimize returns, but it can sometimes feel like your money is unavailable. Verification is another key factor. Financial institutions have strict Know Your Customer (KYC) and anti-money laundering (AML) regulations to follow. This means they need to verify your identity and the source of your funds. If there's any discrepancy or missing information, your account might be temporarily restricted until the issue is resolved. This isn't Stashaway being difficult, it's a legal requirement to protect everyone involved. Sometimes, the hold might be related to specific investment strategies. If you've chosen a portfolio with specific lock-in periods or withdrawal restrictions, your access to your funds might be limited for a certain time. This is usually clearly stated up front, but it's easy to forget the details amidst the excitement of starting your investment journey. It's also worth considering market volatility. While Stashaway aims to mitigate risk, market fluctuations are inevitable. In times of extreme market downturn, withdrawals might be temporarily paused or limited to prevent panic selling and protect investors' long-term interests. This is a rare occurrence, but it's important to be aware of the possibility. So, what should you do if you feel like your money is being held? First, don't panic. Log into your Stashaway account and check the status of your funds. Look for any notifications or messages explaining any pending transactions or account restrictions. If you can't find the information you need, reach out to Stashaway's customer support directly. They're usually very responsive and can provide specific details about your account. Remember, transparency is key. Reputable investment platforms like Stashaway are obligated to provide clear explanations for any restrictions or delays. Don't hesitate to ask questions and seek clarification. It's your money, and you have the right to know what's happening with it. With said, thanks for watching, and until next time.